everybody. Hey, how y'all doing? Everybody's feeling good, great, and all that old shit. Yo, today is a beautiful day. It's like 80 degrees here. It is like fabulous. And I'm sure if it's fabulous, well, I hear it ain't fabulous in goddamn Texas. They said it was 102 motherfucking degrees. I don't know how y'all do it, but clearly you do it. But it is beautiful here today. Oh my God. So make sure you always go outside and get you some sun because you know vitamin D is just good for you. At least that's what they say sun is consist of. But I just like the sun regardless of whatever the fuck the so-called general motherfucking public or what white people say is good for you. Anyway, y'all know how to do it. I just jump right into it. So today I just want to talk about like creepy, freaky motherfucking dudes and how you got to keep your eyes and your ears open because there's a whole bunch of them bitches out there. Prime example is this shit that, let me tell y'all something first before I tell you the story. Like, I know that God has blessed me with the talent and I don't know, well, skill, whatever the fuck you want to call it, to be able to see and hear things, everything I do. Don't shit get past me, yo. Like, it's crazy. Like, if you're in my vicinity, and it's not that I'm like, you know, like being inquisitive and worried about what the fuck you fucking doing. No, it ain't that. It's just that the shit just happened to lay on my eyes or like in my ears, and I just be like, wow. But I see a lot of shit. So this one time I was at the park. Now, y'all always says y'all know I like the outdoors. I'm always talking about the weather and shit. So I was at the park. This was a minute ago. I didn't think cell phones was out at this time. And I can't remember what I used to do at this park. I don't know if I was I must have been reading because I don't think I know I wasn't working out. Or cooking or some shit. Because I know I did used to cook there. But anyway, and this also was a playground there. And I remember looking down as I was like on the hill. I see this dude just beat his motherfucking dick in his motherfucking car. You already, yo, get the fuck out of here. The fuck you doing, right? And he sped off, right? I mean, the best thing now that I look on, like, I wish I would have called the police, but then again, cell phones wasn't the thing. And to go, and I was at the park, who knows how far the fucking payphone was, and I wasn't nowhere near where I lived, right? Where I was in the facility, but far, right? So then I was walking down the block. I see the same car, the same dude. Yo, he done parked in a fucking bus lane. And when I approached him, he doing this shit right here. Now, I don't know if this motherfucker was paying, like, if he was focusing on me or stalking me or whatever, but I just noticed that I seen him. You know what I'm saying? He could have been looking at anybody and probably just used that area. Who knows what the fuck, right? But yo, it don't stop there. Then I see this motherfucker again, like near the park, which what made me think that, like, he probably was some type of pedophile type of motherfucker because it was kids over there. Like, what the fuck is you doing? Like, keep your eyes and your ears open, ladies. And also, y'all need to know that y'all definitely need to know how to protect yourself. You need to take you some type of defense classes. You gotta know how to protect yourself at all times and be ready. Always have something in your motherfucking pocket. Always. Just in case. Because it's a lot of freaky, sneaky, creepy motherfuckers out there in this motherfucking world. On some real shit. And chicks too. Yo, then another time, I was in the park where I had to pee. Y'all, look at me outside again. I had to pee, right? Nowhere near my house. They didn't have those, what the fuck you call them? The shits that's outside. Yeah, those toilets outside. They didn't have that. And wherever the toilet was, it was far. But I was on my bike and it was an emergency. So I jumped over this little small fence that has to be maybe like 2 feet high. So I just climbed over it and it was a wooded area. Went down, looking through, didn't see nothing. Right, hurry up, pull my pants down, pee. You know, I'm peeing as fast as I possibly can. Yo, I look down, looking at the pee. I look up. Yo, what? Standing 5 feet away from me was this motherfucking man, butt ass motherfucking naked. And did I mention that it was fucking 3 o'clock in the goddamn afternoon? Yo, I was like, yo, I was like, hurry up and get the fuck out of there. And once again, I don't believe that because this happened a minute ago. I don't believe that it was cell phones. I don't remember having a cell phone. Another fucking time, yo. I just so happened to be at the park. See, a lot of shit, y'all. A lot of shit be going on in the motherfucking park. You gotta listen. I'm in the motherfucking park. I'm chilling. I just go down there just to sit along the water and get my shit together. You know what I'm saying? get my mind, my spirit, just getting it together, right? Just that was my space. And I looked, and it was two men. They were Caucasian, laying next to each other, kind of like on their side, doing like this, beating. Well, they beating each other. No, not each other's dick, their own dick. That was some gay ass shit. Where that shit going when you about to buzz off? Since you pointed, he's gonna shoot on him, and it's gonna shoot. It's some creepy, freaky motherfuckers. Creepy, freaky. The last one that I just recently seen. Something like I said, God put people in my face for me to pay attention to, or whatever the fuck. So, and then I'm very conscious of my surroundings, right? I noticed this guy, and he was sweeping the outside of a deli that was owned by some Arabs, and he didn't look like he was doing too well in life, just from the way he was dressed and also his demeanor. But at least he had a job. He was doing that. And I'm thinking they probably doing him dirty as hell, because it's fucked up when people be in a fucked up situation, how somebody who has a little bit of leverage over them would treat them foully. It's some nasty motherfucker, creepy, freaky, sneaky motherfuckers in the world. Like, just, man, and you gotta talk to you have to talk to your children, people, and then you also gotta watch out for yourself. So once you see the shit, you can tell your kids, and they'll know how to handle if something like that was to present itself to them. So anyway, I see the dude, and so I go in the store, I buy whatever. It's other people in the store, and the next thing I know, this motherfucker, I look at him, he got his hands in his pants, and he just doing some shit, like playing with his dick. And then there's all sorts of people out here who's like mentally disturbed. Now, I don't know if that was the case with him, but I'm just saying. But it is that too. And everybody has the urge to fuck, because, it's who we are as beings. Lord, y'all gotta keep your eyes on and carry something in your motherfucking pocket. Learn how to fight. Learn how to defend your motherfucking self. And keep your eyes and your ears open. Because it's a lot of nasty motherfuckers in the motherfucking world. A lot. When I be seeing people staring too long, even if like a man staring at another dude, like you don't know what somebody's thinking, but still, like nah, chill. I know one time somebody I think I told a story before. It was this dude, and he was staring at my son. Look, now my son was a cutie pie. And he was just staring at him, and I just politely said, yo, and I will fucking kill you. I'm just saying, like, you gotta let shit be motherfucking known. Like, and shield your children with knowledge of how they can protect themselves out here, because there's some sneaky, freaky, creepy ass motherfuckers out here in this world. And we can't be out here not having these conversations with our children, and also not paying attention for self. Ladies and men. No, another time. This was early in the morning. This was back in my day. Early in the morning, I'm coming in. It had to be maybe like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. The sun had just came up, right? And I'm walking. Nobody on the streets and shit. This one dude, like, he was real gay. He was flamboyant gay. He was one of them type gays. You know what I'm saying? This dude was sitting on the corner. I don't know if he was a hustler or whatnot, but it was early in the morning. I don't know what the fuck he was doing there, but he went just grabbed this motherfucking dick, like, and he like, and now mind you, I don't know if they had a sexual relationship. It looked violated to me, the whole situation. Although the dude didn't react, because normally when somebody sexually assaults you, you really don't know how to act. Like you first of all, you go into shock. That's first, like, don't this motherfucker know you don't do that? That's like in your mind, like as a civil person. But it's a lot of motherfuckers that's out here like Willie D say, uncivilized motherfucking mutts. Sneaky, creepy ass freaks. So you gotta, motherfucker, listen. It's crazy out here, people. Protect yourself. Pay attention. Oh, this last one, I gotta tell y'all this for y'all. Taking the dance classes, and it's also in the summertime, because y'all know I'm a summertime girl. You know what I'm saying? I am a sun goddess. I need it. I like to dance in it. Oh, just to tell y'all, I was at a dance class. It was in the park. No, not in the park. It was having this festival outside, and it was so fucking hot. And there was no shade. But that's how I like to work out. But anyway, that's a whole other motherfucking subject. But anyway, so another time I was outside. This was last year, I believe, or the year before. I don't remember. We dancing, the This girl teacher, I'm taking classes, other women there too. Yo, why this dude just take he put his hand in his pocket right in front, set in on a blink on a what the fuck you call those things? The shit outside, right? The lawn furniture outside, but that they had that's like concrete to the ground. That shit. The bench. So they sitting on the dude sat right there, right in front of us, and put his hand like literally did some shit like this. It was the. I mean, get the fuck out of here. Now, of course, he got the fuck out of here. The fuck? I don't know if the other lady saw it and just didn't say nothing because a lot of people see shit and they just don't say shit. They just I don't even know what's up with y'all with that shit. Don't say shit. I just don't even understand that. Like, how the fuck you on some shit like when you see some shit like that? Like, how you just allow that shit to just go on? Like, I can understand if you had a situation with a person before and there's no way that you would communicate because some people are fucking ignorant. You understand what I'm saying? But this was like a one-off. Like, ain't nobody never seen this dude before. So, but now mind you, I don't know if anybody else seen it, but I did, and I definitely did say something. But it do be a lot of times where people see shit and they just don't say anything. You gotta get involved, people. You know what I'm saying? I wish I would have at the time. Like I said, was no self. I wish I would have called the police. I still should have called the police on him because this man is a menace. Who knows what the fuck you do? So if you're doing that like right out in the open, like sneaky, freaky, creepy, uncivilized mutts. You know what I'm saying? Just out here in this motherfucking world, like ladies, just be careful. And another a trick I want to tell y'all too, ladies. Like all these sundresses for the summer are really thin. You can see straight through them. That's fine if you at a beach and also at night is a great time. But during the sunny day, you can see straight. And also those leggings too. See, you on the throne, they see all ass, all your shit. So if you ain't working out, I don't know what, but you know, you have to check it. How you check? Put it up to the window where the sun is shining and seeing if you can see straight through it and you see all your ass, all your panties, whatever the fuck you got, or no panties, whatever the fuck. The same thing with a dress. Get you a slip, ladies. And if you just so happen to have to be outside with those type of leggings on, wrap some shit around your waist. There's nothing. You can also be sexy covered up too. Like you don't have to like show everything. But then I understand like when it's motherfucking hot, it's motherfucking hot. Ain't nobody got time. I don't like clothes on me when I'm hot. Get the fuck up off me. I'm not. You know, so that the climate plays a part in it. You know what I'm saying? But still, there's just shit that you need to be aware of and things of that nature. But in the summertime, for the most part, I don't give a fuck. I always have on me a slip though. Especially if it's something that requires like I got like 3 red dresses that fit me like you know you got the ones that fit you nice. This motherfucker fit me nice, and I put on a slip with them shits every fucking time, like because you can see straight through them. And we know I'm just not. I'm not giving you that. You know what I'm saying? Now, and there's nothing more sexier than like being discreet. You know, that's this is one thing that y'all need to master is being discreet. You don't have to show everything. You don't have to do that. Not all the time. And ain't nothing wrong with you doing that because you know I love provocative shit. Like I do. But also being discreet is is sexy too, without a doubt. But also, if we put the climate involved, now when it's 80, 90 degrees, bitch, I'm outside. Like, it's hot. Like, I can't stand nothing on my legs when it's hot. Ooh, my legs got to breathe. They be feeling like, They be talking to me, myself. Bitch, what you doing? I need some sunshine. I need some air. You know what I'm saying? So that's also just some things I want to talk to y'all. But listen, ladies, on July 9th, I will be having my second Seductive ArT workshop. I hope y'all come through. It's informative, it's interactive, and it's filled with sexy fun. I have a special guest. Her name is Chrissy Davis. She will be discussing how she survived sex traffic. This is a serious topic. You know what I'm saying? We need to listen up. And this is her story that she will be sharing with us. And I'm super excited to have her here. Although, like, she will be on the TV because she's in in Texas. Well, I also have sex toys available. My brand, Real Nice by Real, all things fresh. I'm the underdog in fashion will be on sale at a discounted price. There's cocktails, all that. Like, this is gonna be a sexy, glamorous thing, a ladies' night for the ladies. Ladies, come through. 21 and older. It's affordable. Go to the website, seductive-art.com. Click upcoming events, and that's where it'll send you to another link to where you can purchase your tickets. And if you have any questions, just hit me up. You know what I'm saying? And all that old great shit. Y'all know I'm also a designer. Like I just said, I would have at my Seductive ArT workshop, I would have my brand Real Nice by Real, all things fresh. I'm the dog in fashion. On at a discounted price. So this is one of mine. You know, it's cutouts underneath on this sleeve, cutouts at the top on this sleeve. You got a crown right here, ladies, for my sisters, and it says originator on the back. Each one is different, got different colors. That says originator because Black women are the originators. So go over there and get that. And also, you can wear this with a swimsuit or a kill. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to show. Although this is a crop, you can just show the bottom part and you like wish that shit up like, woo. You know what I'm saying? So that too. So go over there. That's realnice.com. I have some new arrivals, and I'll have some more. Some new arrivals coming soon. Some more swimwear that I'm excited about. You know, this is all my designs, all me. So I'm happy about that shit. But check this shit out. Why I'm supposed to did this fucking podcast? Yo, I know people is shady all the way around, but I mean, and corny. Like, I don't even understand it. Like, me and this bitch was just conversating, right? Like, 2 hours prior, she had told me that she was like, yo, she couldn't get, my website wasn't working. So when I went on my phone, I was somewhere talking about a loan, trying to get this money popping for this business, y'all. It's not a game. And she hit me there, and I was like, then I tried to do it on my phone, and then I had to run back home after I finished with that business. Boom, boom. So we communicated. Then they sent me a message. So it was 12:30, 1:30 is when I was supposed to go live with her. You got an hour. I'm like, okay. So, I'm the queen of punctuation. I remember I logged on at 1:31 and stayed to 1:45. And in between that 1:31 and 1:45, I emailed her twice. Like, where you at? I'm here. Like, what's going on? Like, but mind, she's in Africa, so sometimes their internet do be fucking up, you know. So I don't know if that was the case, but I ain't hear shit from her, and I still haven't. Like, stop with the bitch. Don't be wasting my motherfucking time. That's one motherfucking thing I want to tell everybody out there. Like, if we plan on doing something, we doing it. And if you can't make it, it's like, if I can't make it, bitch, I'm gonna call you and let you know. Like, no, I have to cancel. Like, I do something else. You know what I'm saying? That's what real motherfuckers do. But then again, who knows what the situation is? But it's crazy. Like, crazy. Like, crazy. But anyway, so that happened today. It was whatever. And, you know, everything is a learning experience. Just take that as that. Well, I do. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know that I always tell y'all be this, be that, be that. But most importantly, you know, actually, Jay-Z said it best. You was who you was for you got here. Like, it always be that. I don't understand why people be fucking switching off who they are, like when they're around certain people and all this old dumb shit. No, bitch, be you at all fucking times. Like, whoever accepts you, you know, and that's it. Whoever don't, then fuck them. That's my motto. Like, get the fuck out of here, bitch. I don't move like you move. I move like I move. Right? The fuck. So, be consistent at being your motherfucking self. Until we meet again. Oh, wait, before that shit, y'all know I forget. Hit that, click that, I appreciate that. You know, if I resonate with you, hit that, click that, thank you. Try to get these numbers up. So I'd say thank y'all so much.